What do I love to do in my spare time? Well, I'd like to tell you that I like to go hiking and biking and do some yoga and meditation and play with my kids or dogs or whatever. Yeah, I like doing all those things, but what I really like is going to a party, going to an event, a night on the town. And guess what? My clients, my customers, my prospective customers, they love it too, and so will yours. How did I launch my way in the world of events and party marketing? It was kind of a fluke. As most things happen in life, you stumble across cool things. You go, wait a minute, there's an opportunity here. So my great buddy from college, Lee, his wife had a side hustle, a side gig with a company called Pampered Chef. Now, being a dude, a guy, I didn't even know what the heck Pampered Chef was, but I learned that they sell Tupperware and pots and pans. And I learned that she was making like $100,000 a year part-time. I'm going, holy moly, Gail, how are you doing this? That's like incredible part-time income. She goes, Louis, this isn't just any company. Pampered Chef does hundreds of millions annually. She goes, they do it through parties and events. I go, tell me more. She goes, well, I invite 10, 15 of my girlfriends to a happy hour. We serve wine and cheese. We do drawings and we give away free prizes of pots and pans and Tupperware. And we expose people and they have a good time. They socialize, they drink a little bit, and they buy more. And it's just party after party after party. And that's how I make all this money. I thought to myself, how can I apply that concept, that Pampered Chef party concept, to the world of aesthetics and medical aesthetics and health and beauty? So I duplicated it. And I created the Skin Scene Happy Hour. And what we did a live Botox demonstration and a live cool sculpting demonstration. And we catered fancy wine and appetizers and actually had the vendors pay for the catering for us. And it was a promotional event. We gave away thousands and thousands of dollars in prizes. And we had this in the lobby of my med spa like 16, 17 years ago. 10, 15, 20 people would come. And then we do another party. And actually, the way I solicited the people for the party, because I was new, I was just getting rolling. We didn't have a lot of customers or prospects at the time. My ex-wife, Shelly, knows everybody. She's like Miss Social Life. So I said, Shelly, can you invite 15 or 20 of your girlfriends to this party in the lobby? And she did. And then she'd invite 20 more girlfriends and 20 more and 20 more. And one day after doing that for 6 months, she goes, Louis, stop. I go, what do you mean stop? We're making money. This is going great. Every party is 20 people and they're buying. She goes, Louis, I've got no more friends to contact. You've tapped me out. I'm all, oh my gosh, what do I do? So I asked my friend, Gail, I said, Gail, you guys must have the same problem at Pampered Chef. What do you do when you run out of people to talk to, right? She goes, oh, Louis, sorry. Forgot to tell you this vitally important little tip and trick. Every time you have a party, you find 1 or 2 people there who have their own group of friends, a hiking group, a biking group, a religious group, and then you offer them an incentive, a free gift or something to bring their 15 friends to the next party. And it keeps going and going and going like the Energizer Buddy. And now parties and event marketing are huge. So that's why I stumbled in the world of event marketing today. Fast forward 18 years later, man, we have taken it nationwide. We now rent out ballrooms across the country, Chicago, Boston, Vegas, New York, Hawaii, Austin, Texas, and we'll drop $20,000 to $30,000 in a fancy hotel room with a big stage and a big dramatic production with 300, 400, 500, 600 people there. And yes, the sponsors aren't going to pick up a 30,000 tab. They're going to help out some. But I'm at the point where it's magical. It's a science. It's fine-tuned, and it works. Or we can spend $30,000 and know we're going to make hundreds of thousands. You don't start that way. You always baby step it and walk before you run. So start small. Start with a happy hour steroids. Give it your flavor. Give it your touch. Give it your brand. And let's take it to the moon. The wonderful world of event marketing. I'm going to teach you, 1, how to market your business using parties. Number 2, how to create such a fun event. Everyone want to be there. Plus, you'll get a special Louology bonus tip.